who is protected by the Religious Land Use and Institutionalized Persons Act. Imagine trying to build a new church or worship center and facing roadblocks from local laws. Or perhaps a prisoner wants to practice their faith freely. These situations show how important it is to understand who the law protects. The Religious Land Use and Institutionalized Persons Act, or RLUIPA, is designed to make sure certain groups are not unfairly stopped from practicing their religion. First, RLUIPA protects individuals who want to practice their faith. If local zoning laws or land restrictions make it hard for someone to build or use property for worship, this law can step in. For example, if a person wants to set up a prayer space but faces zoning rules that block their plans, RLUIPA can help challenge those rules. Second, it safeguards religious groups and places of worship. This includes churches, mosques, synagogues, temples, religious schools, and other religious organizations. The law says these groups must be treated fairly when it comes to land use. They should not be discriminated against or blocked from building or expanding their facilities. If a city tries to stop a religious group from building a new church or limits their land use unfairly, RLUIPA can be used to fight back. Third, RLUIPA also protects people who are in prison or other institutions. If someone is incarcerated and wants to practice their religion, they have rights under this law. Prisons cannot impose heavy burdens on their religious practices unless there is a very strong reason. For example, if a prisoner requests to wear religious clothing or have religious materials, the prison must consider those needs seriously. In practical terms, if a religious group faces zoning restrictions that prevent them from building a place of worship, or if a prisoner is denied reasonable religious accommodations, RLUIPA offers a way to challenge those restrictions. The government must show a very strong reason if it wants to limit religious practices. Knowing these protections helps individuals and groups stand up for their religious rights. If you believe your rights are being violated because of land use laws or institutional rules, RLUIPA provides a legal path to seek fairness and equal treatment. It is a key law that balances government interests with religious freedoms, ensuring no one is unfairly burdened because of their faith.